See, today we are going to learn about purpose. And today's topic will be how to make two sentences simple using these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 methods. First two methods are to make two simple sentences into simple sentences using to plus verb in order to plus verb. And by using these two methods, we will make the two sentences simple. The other four methods are using VING. They are for plus VING, with the aim of VING, with the purpose of VING, with a V2 VING. By using these 6 methods, we are going to make two simple sentences into a simple sentence. So, two methods of infinitive and four methods of present participle. That means there are total 6 methods. See, here is an example, here and past. This is a simple sentence. He wanted to catch the bus. This is also a simple sentence. Why this is simple sentence? Because here is only one subject and one finite verb. Simple. It is also a simple because here is also one subject, one finite verb. It is also simple. Now these two simple sentences should be converted into one simple sentence using infinitive or present participle, that is VING. Now see, in the very first sentence there is no change. The first sentence you have to write as it is. Here and past, here and past, here and past. See, check what is happening here. To catch. Here and past, then to catch the bus. To catch the bus. So this he wanted has been eliminated. So this is a simple sentence. Now check. Here and past to catch the bus. This is the product. But it is having only one finite verb in it. Ran. There is only one subject, he. There is only one finite verb, ran. Definitely this is a verb, but this is non-finite verb. What is the reason? Because you don't find any subject here. So this is the non-finite verb. So this is the first method, to catch. Now the second method is what? In order to catch. The first sentence you will write as it is, he ran fast. Then you will write in order. See, it is in order. Then comes to plus verb. It is here, to catch. The rest of the words they are. Yes, they are. He ran fast in order to catch the bus. Again, the product is a simple sentence. Why? Because there is only one finite verb and one subject. Definitely this is a verb, but it is non-finite verb because it is not having any kind of subject, right? And it is not having any kind of auxiliary, it is not having any kind of tense here. So using infinitive, two methods have been written here. Here and past to catch the bus, here and past in order to catch the bus. Here and past to catch the bus. I have selected only this portion of the sentence. And here what was that? In between from he and wanted, they have been eliminated. He ran fast to catch the bus. He ran fast in order to catch the bus. Now for. He ran fast for is always followed by a VING. So to catch will become catching. He ran fast for catching the bus. He ran fast for catching, to catch becomes catching the bus. Now suppose you want to use with the aim of, he ran fast, then with the aim of, it is also followed by VING, with the aim of, then you have to write catching the bus. So what is the product? He ran fast with the aim of catching the bus. With the purpose of, he ran fast with the purpose of catching the bus. In the same way, with a view to, he ran fast with a view to catching the bus. So there are 6 methods. First 2 methods are to use infinitive. The rest of the 4 methods are to use present participle, that is VIG. Now let me explain the same thing in Gujarati. જો હેતુ બતાવતું હોય એવા બે સિમ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સીસ હોય ને એનું એક સિમ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સીસ બનાવવા માટે આપણી પાસે ટોટલ 6 રીત છે. એમાં 2 રીત જે છે ને ઇન્ફિનિટિવની રીત છે, બીજી 4 રીત છે પ્રેઝન્ટ પાર્ટિસિપલ દેટ ઇઝ વર્તમાન કૃદંતની રીત છે. જો બે વાક્ય છે, he ran fast એ ઝડપથી દોડ્યો, he wanted to catch the bus એ બસ પકડવા ઈચ્છતો હતો. ધીસ ઇઝ સિમ્પલ. આ સિમ્પલ રચના છે કારણ કે આની પાસે એક સબ્જેક્ટ એક ફાઇનાઇટ વર્બ છે. આ સિમ્પલ રચના છે બીકોઝ it is also having one subject and one finite verb, right? હવે બે સિમ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સ એક સિમ્પલ સેન્ટેન્સમાં રૂપાંતર કેવી રીતે આનાથી કરી નાખવાનું 2 પ્લસ 1. તો પહેલું વાક્ય છે ને એ તો હંમેશા હોય એમને એમ જ લખી નાખવાનું. લી હેતુ બતાવતું જે વાક્ય હોય ને ધ સેન્ટેન્સ ધેટ ઇઝ શોઈંગ ધ પર્પસ, એમાં જ ઓપરેશન કરવાનું છે. આ પર્પસ શું હતો? એ ઝડપથી દોડવાનો પર્પસ શું હતો? એ બસ પકડવા ઈચ્છતો હતો, રાઈટ? તો જો ઇન્ફિનિટિવ આવતું હોય ને he wanted to catch the bus, ત્યાંથી વાક્યનો કડવો કરી નાખવાનો, આ વચ્ચેનું કાઢી નાખવાનું, આની પાસે જોડ દેવાનું. he ran fast to catch the bus, આની પાસે જોડ દેવું. he ran fast to catch the bus. થઈ ગયું સિમ્પલ. કારણ કે જો આ એક જ ફાઇનાઇટ વર્બ છે, એક જ સબ્જેક્ટ છે. આ વર્બ ખરું બટ ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ ધ ફાઇનાઇટ વર્બ. વાય? બીકોઝ ઇટ ઇઝ નોટ હેવિંગ ધ સબ્જેક્ટ ઇન ઇટ. હવે આનાથી કેમ જોડાય? he ran fast in order to catch the bus. પછી VIG થી જોડવા માટે 4 છે. for VIG, with the aim of VIG, with the purpose of VIG, with a view to VIG. જો he ran fast for catching the bus, he ran fast with the aim of catching the bus, he ran fast with the purpose of catching the bus, he ran fast with a view to catching the bus. So there are 6 methods to convert 2 simple sentences into 1 simple sentence. Now there are 5 for you. First of all, I will go in a site, take a screenshot of it. હવે આ જે 5 સેન્ટેન્સીસ જે થયેલા છે, આ 5 સેન્ટેન્સીસના તમારે આ રીતે સિમ્પલ બનાવવા છે, રાઈટ? જો the first one is you work hard, you want to pass the exam. Second is she went to school, she wanted to study offline. They came here, they wanted to meet the principal. She reads carefully, she wants to answer the questions. He will go to the USA, he wants to visit his brother. Now you have to sing all the 6 patterns with me. 2 plus 1 in order 2 plus 1. You work hard to pass the exam. Second, you work hard in order to pass the exam. Third, fourth, you work hard for passing the exam. With the aim of. You work hard with the aim of passing the exam. With the purpose of. You work hard with the purpose of passing the exam. With a view to. You work hard with a view to passing the exam. So there are 6 examples. Again, let's take the second sentence. You have to sing with me. She went to school. She wanted to study offline. First one, she went to school to study offline. In order, she went to school in order to study offline. For, she went to school for studying offline. She went to school with the aim of studying offline. She went to school with the purpose of studying offline. She went to school with a view to studying offline. Third, they came here, they wanted to meet the principal. They came here to meet the principal. They came here in order to meet the principal. They came here for meeting the principal. They came here with the aim of meeting the principal. They came here with the purpose of meeting the principal. They came here with a view to meeting the principal. She reads carefully. She wants to answer the questions. She reads carefully to answer the questions. She reads carefully in order to answer the questions. She reads carefully for answering the questions. She reads carefully with the aim of answering the questions. She reads carefully with the purpose of answering the questions. She reads carefully with a view to answering the questions. Last one. He will go to the USA. He wants to visit his brother. He will go to the USA to visit his brother. He will go to the USA in order to visit his brother. He will go to the USA for visiting his brother. He will go to the USA with the aim of visiting his brother. He will go to the USA with the purpose of visiting his brother. He will go to the USA, last one, with a view to visiting his brother. See, be very careful about these two, with a view to. With a view to, this does not take verb with it. It takes VING because this is prepositional phrase. All the prepositions take VING, whether it is preposition or prepositional phrase. Now see, there are 5 sentences. Each sentence has 6 answers. So 30 answers you have to write. You have to click a very good photo, send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Now, I am going to deal with what will happen if the sentences are negative. So wait for some time. Now suppose the sentence is negative. He ran fast. He wanted not to miss the bus. Earlier what it was? He ran fast, he wanted to catch the bus. Here it is not to catch the bus. So this sentence which shows the result is negative. Then what are the 6 methods the sentences can be joined together? See, here where I put dot, you have to put not there. This is the place you have to put not. Not. I give you a very simple method. Suppose I tell you to go. Suppose I ask you, make it negative. To go becomes what? Not to go. Suppose it is going. And I ask you, make it negative. What will you write? Not going. To play. Not to play. Playing. Not playing. Reading. Not reading. To read. Not to read. So if it is 2 plus verb, you have to put not there. 2 plus verb, not here. 2 plus verb, not here. VING, not VING. VING, not VING. VING, not VING. VING, not VING. To study, not to study. To study, not to study. Studying, not studying. Studying, not studying. Studying, not studying. It is very simple. He ran fast, he wanted not to miss the bus. He ran fast. Remove these 2 words, not to, he wanted. Now join these 2 sentences. He ran fast, not to miss the bus. He ran fast in order not to miss the bus. He ran fast for not missing the bus. He ran fast with the aim of not missing the bus. He ran fast with the purpose of not missing the bus. He ran fast with a view to not missing the bus. Now, you have to sing with me, though you are at your home. Sing with me loudly. He ran fast not to miss the bus. He ran fast in order not to miss the bus. He ran fast for not missing the bus. He ran fast with the aim of not missing the bus. He ran fast with the purpose of not missing the bus. He ran fast with a view to not missing the bus. Now, there are 5 sentences, right? And we will join all the 5 sentences in the same way. Mind well, what type of sentence we are making? Compound, right? Complex. Neither compound nor complex, we are making simple sentences. Because in all the sentences that you are making, either it is 2 plus 1 or it is VIND, right? But neither of them is carrying a subject with it. So there is only one pair of subject and finite verb, and that is GN. So it is a simple one. Now, you work hard. You want not to fail in the exam. 6 methods. You work hard not to fail in the exam. You work hard in order not to fail in the exam. You work hard for not failing in the exam. You work hard with the aim of not failing in the exam. You work hard with the purpose of not failing in the exam. You work hard with a view to not failing in the exam. Now again, sing with me. Here, second sentence. She went to school. She wanted not to study online. She went to school not to study online. Just keep a watch here also. 2 plus 1 in order 2 plus 1. 4 plus VIND with the aim of, with the purpose of, with a view. First, she went to school not to study online. Second, she went to school in order not to study online. She went to school for not studying online. With the aim of. She went to school with the aim of not studying online. She went to school with the purpose of not studying online. She went to school with a view to not studying online. 6 sentences. Third one is they came here, they wanted not to stay out. They came here not to stay out. They came here in order not to stay out. They came here for not staying out. They came here for with the aim of not staying out. They came here with the purpose of not staying out. They came here with a view to not staying out. She reads carefully. She wants not to miss the right answer. She reads carefully not to miss the right answer. She reads carefully in order not to miss the right answer. She reads carefully for not missing the right answer. She reads carefully with the aim of not missing the right answer. She reads carefully with the purpose of not missing the right answer. She reads carefully with a view to not missing the right answer. Last. He plays carefully. He wants not to lose the match. He plays carefully not to lose the match. He plays carefully in order not to lose the match. He plays carefully for not losing the match. He plays carefully with the aim of not losing the match. He plays carefully with the purpose of not losing the match. He plays carefully with a view to not losing the match. તમને આ જે આપેલું છે ને ત્યાંથી જ વાક્ય બનાવતા આવતા હોવા જોઈએ. પહેલા ટુ પ્લસ વર્ક, સેકન્ડ ઇઝ in order to plus verb, third for plus ing with the aim of ing with the purpose of ing with a view to ing. He studies online. He does not want to waste the time. Join. He studies online, not to waste time. He studies online in order not to waste time, not to waste time. He studies online for not wasting time. He studies online with the aim of not wasting time. He studies online with the purpose of not studying online. He studies online with a view to not studying, not wasting time. Not to waste, not to waste. For not wasting, with the aim of not wasting, with the purpose of not wasting, with a view to not wasting. I go aside, take a screenshot. Now, 5 sentences again. Earlier there were 5. Each sentence had 5 answers. અહીંયા બીજા 5 છે. Again, each one has 5 answers. 5 નહીં, 6. અગાઉ 30 વાક્ય હતા, આ 30 વાક્ય. 60. Take very good picture of it. Send it to me on my WhatsApp number. See you next time. Thank you.